Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Optimizely for experimentation strategy detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Optimizely website in your preferred web browser. Look for the sign up or get started button on the homepage. Click on it to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form requiring your personal information. Fill in your name, email address, and a strong password. Make sure to use a valid email address as you will need to verify it later. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box to accept them. Once completed, click the Create Account button at the bottom of the form. An email will be sent to your registered email address for verification. Open your email inbox and look for the verification email from Optimizely. Click the verification link provided in the email. This action will redirect you back to the Optimizely website. You may be prompted to log in using the credentials you just created. After logging in, follow the prompts to set up your account profile. Provide additional details about your business, such as your company name and industry. Next, you will be asked to select your experimentation goals. Choose the objectives that align with your company's needs, like increasing conversions or improving user engagement. Once you've made your selections, proceed to set up your project. Create a new project by providing a descriptive name and any relevant details. After the project setup, you'll have access to the Optimizely dashboard. From here, navigate to the tools for launching experiments. Familiarize yourself with the analytics and targeting features available. Take the time to explore resources and guides offered within the platform. As you become comfortable, start planning your first experiment. Set up variations of your web pages and choose your audience segments. Finally, launch your experiment and monitor the results through the analytics dashboard. Congratulations, you are now registered with Optimizely and ready to implement your experimentation strategy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.